I wonder why some people are on LinkedIn. They have no profile picture, they have no profile information, and very few connections. They're missing out on a big opportunity. But the rest of us are on LinkedIn either to find a job or to get business. And if we want to do either of those two things, we, number one, are wanting to get access to the right people, and number two, we want the right people to find us. So since the LinkedIn searches are based on your connection database, whether you are trying to find or be found, you have to be connected to the right people. And if you want to be found, another aspect of that is your profile. In fact, it's really all about your profile because that's what you search for. And it's about the look, the feel, and the content. An example of something in your profile would be keywords. If you are a specific type of coach, say an executive coach, if you don't mention executive coach in your profile, your prospects won't find you. So, Sandra Noble here, and if you're looking for business, I have more suggestions and solutions for you. Our LinkedIn Done For You lead generation services include helping you to define and target your ideal prospects and audience, and it also helps you to get your profile into shape so that you can showcase your expertise and be seen as an authority. So call 404-374-3384 for more information, or you can message me and like or comment on the video. Please. Thank you.